Finding a spot where you're able to find all the AI tools at one place, I think it seems difficult, but no need to worry guys when Tech Fever is here to help you. Today I'm here to tell you about a website called futurepedia.io which will help you to access all the AI tools at one site. I know it seems like a lie, but trust me, the process is quite easy and quick. So first of all, you simply need to go onto any of the search engines you want to and type in futurepedia.io. And as soon as gonna open it, this website is gonna be appearing in front of you. Now as soon as gonna scroll down, you guys can see the magic that you guys can find every AI tool over here, whether it is copy.ai, profile picture AI, chat gpt, or any other video editor you want to. So another helpful item is that it's also having this search bar on the top of it, where you can easily hunt or look for any AI tool by category wise or any other thing. So yeah, that was for today. I feel like this is a very helpful website for all of you guys where you can easily find out all the AI tools. So let me know in the comment section below if this website works for you. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.